What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen. This is my prediction about how low it could potentially go. Now, I want to first start off by saying this is my own prediction. Like I just mentioned, don't go off of me in case, anything happens. If you're waiting for this price, it could go to it. It could not. A lot of people are speculating this is going to go down another zero. And it very much could do so, but it could also take out and go up another zero, a 10x from this price right now. So anything is possible with Zen, as long as you continue minting and as long as you have the term days. I want to say above 200 days right now to keep it easy, to keep it safe on the safe side. You should be good. This is my own price prediction, based off of what I have seen, what's going on in the chart, and so on and so forth. Right now, the RSI, this is on the 4-hour candlesticks, the 4-hour chart. You can see that the 1334 is roughly, it's close. Okay, so I do use the 1334 moving averages whenever it comes to charting. They are about to cross, so in the next coming, I want to say week or two, we will see a price move, which correlates to the term days that are coming out recently. Like I think today or a few days ago or something like that, the people that did the 100 days term days since day one of the launch, they actually managed to dump the price a little bit. It wasn't too bad. So the time since Genesis right now, it says 93 days. So people that are around the 100 days, they're starting to dump their bags and probably dump it, take profit, do whatever they want to, right? I don't know how exact this is, but we're gonna start seeing what this, if this 93 days is right, which I'd imagine so, because that's whenever it launched. We still have about a week, give or take, of most likely price action going down. Okay, people dropping, getting out, stuff like that. And that correlates with this 1334 that's about to cross. Give or take a week or two, this will end up crossing. The RSI, it's literally touching right on the line. I want to also point out that the RSI has not seen a big number like the RSI way up here. Usually, and I'm talking about stocks and all that stuff, the RSI on a normal is around 35 to 55 from what I have seen. So we should be hovering way above here. Like, whenever we had that last pump all the way to like 5, look at the RSI. It was right around 35 to 45, which is around the comfort zone of majority of the stocks and crypto coins and all of them. That's where they like to hover around. But whenever it starts going down, that's whenever the price action starts going down, of course. But once we start seeing that bounce and hovering around the comfort zone, the price will, of course, start pumping up. But hey, anything can happen. That's on my own little small prediction on the 100 days, about 1 week from now. So the price is going to continue to go down. But what is my bottom price of Zen? And the worst case scenario, in my opinion, from what I think it's going to hit, is 6 zeros, which is one less zero from the price right now. Right now we have 5 zeros and a 1-8. So 6 zeros and a 5, in my opinion, is what is going to be the very bottom of Zen, okay? Like the worst case scenario, people dumping at 100 days. People did the term days at 100 days, 120, 150, 200, kind of like the psychology behind it, which makes sense. So the next 1 or 2 weeks, I do think the 6 zeros and a 5 is going to be the bottom. And from there, we'll start accumulating and start going up higher and higher. The market cap right now is 6 million. We were at 7 million, 8 million-ish, give or take. And we are almost breaking 6 mil. So if the price bottoms out at 6 zeros and 5, then the market cap is, of course, going to be much lower, give or take 4 mil, I think, somewhere around there. So expect that to happen in my own personal opinion, but the buying is going to happen. The number one to be minting is under Ethereum. That's my own speculation. Well, not really speculation, but my own experience, simply because there is more liquidity on there. You can cash out. You can, everybody goes on Ethereum. Second one would be Binance and Polygon, but it's still good to get into Ethereum simply because the EAA is still 2.4%. The AMP, of course, all of them are still around 2,900-ish. Max term days is 442. My last video, I said you should do about, the first month of 2024 and then hold the rest of your coins until the next bull run, because this coin has not been through a bull run, and it will do a 10x, 100x, 1000x, 10,000x. No promises, no guarantees. Do your own research. Put in what you can afford to lose. The best days to mint is around Sundays, from my experience, in the very early days, Eastern Standard Time for me. I usually do 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and the gas fees are super cheap. It's like 11 gwei. Okay, right now it's 33. I saw it at 40 not too long ago. So usually, at 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday, this gwei is like super cheap, like 11, 12, and you'll get in, which is approximately $4. And every penny counts whenever it comes to making these wallets and getting into Zen, so on and so forth. All that stuff is very, very important. Max term days right now is 442. So it's all up to you about how many days you want to do. My own personal opinion and my own strategy that I think was best is to do the first month of January of 2024 and then just hold the rest hold all of your coins until the bull run, which is soon going to be in about 2 years-ish, 2-3 years, give or take. So that's my own personal opinion. Yeah, it sucks seeing the price going that low, but we kind of have to, so that way the volume can kick in and we experience some major crazy gains. As long as you continue minting and just hodling and all that stuff, there's nothing really to worry about, simply because it's free. All you spent was the gas fee. The rest of it is just profit. If you do less than, where is it at? So if you do more than 85 days, well, now it changes every second. Estimated earnings, if you do a term days of 80 days, you'll make 11 cents. If you do anything below that, you're going to just lose money. There's no point, okay? You need to do more than what it says on here. So even 85 days, you'll profit like 15 cents or 30 cents or something like that. So this days will continue to go higher and higher and higher as the days, weeks, months go on forward. Eventually, the cost coverage will go to the max term days on the level, and that's where shit is going to get very, very interesting. But I'm looking forward to it, man. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think. I'm very curious about what you guys' price predictions is. Worst case scenario, 6 zeros and a 5. The rest of it will continue to go up. I hope so. So we'll see you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. I'm out. Peace.